I want to tell you how I reversed over 10 years of steroid abuse and went from having testosterone levels lower than a low woman's levels up to a healthy male level within just 3 months.
Before we go in depth, please hit that follow and subscribe button if you'd like to learn more about health and well-being optimization.
So when I was 19 and went away to university, I joined a hardcore gym, which was a great gym, but it had a heavy steroid culture. Unfortunately, driven by ego and the perception of being bigger and stronger, I quickly started taking steroids myself, having previously been against it. And my use of steroids, as I'm sure it does for most people, I think at the highest point I was taking over a gram of test a day on top of about 4 or 5 other compounds, including growth hormone and insulin. So it really wasn't a healthy position to be in. By the time I was 26, 27, I'd gone into my journey on longevity and dropped down to a hormone replacement level of half a mil a week or 100 milligrams of testosterone. And this is just where I figured I'd be for the rest of my life. And taking this low level of testosterone to mimic what my body should have been producing itself. Didn't really want to come off of it and suffer from the effects of no testosterone and just thought that was how it was. However, when I was 32, me and my wife Kasia wanted to try for another baby. So we did. And for 2 years, absolutely nothing was happening. So I decided to go to the doctors and see what was happening. They referred me to a sexual health clinic and they found out that I was producing zero sperm. So it's clear that the steroid use had had a massive impact on my sexual health.